Trump administration seeks Supreme Court approval to deploy National Guard in Illinois. Washington. In a bid to override a district court injunction, the Trump administration filed an emergency petition before the U.S. Supreme Court on Friday, asking the High Court to restore its authority to federalize and send National Guard troops to Illinois. The Justice Department argues that the lower court order unlawfully curtails the President's commander-in-chief powers and endangers federal immigration officers, government property, and public safety. Solicitor General D. John Sauer explained that barring the deployment of Guard units would strip DHS agents of needed protection and force the Seventh Circuit to micromanage military decisions. The administration has already placed roughly 300 Illinois Guard members and 400 Texas Guard members under federal service to safeguard immigration enforcement sites and federal facilities amid escalating protests over the president's immigration agenda. Under Title 10 of the United States Code, the president may call state National Guard forces into federal service when a rebellion or a danger of rebellion threatens the nation, or when regular forces cannot adequately enforce federal law. The White House maintains that recent unrest in Chicago, including violent demonstrations near the Broadview Processing Center, satisfies that criterion. Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker denounced the federalization as an affront to state sovereignty, labeling it un-American. Earlier, a federal district judge found the Department of Homeland Security's threat assessment unreliable, prompting the Seventh Circuit to issue a preliminary order that temporarily halts the Guard's deployment while allowing the troops to stay under federal command. The judges underscored that, although protests have at times turned violent, they do not constitute a rebellion that would justify the president's sweeping authority. They also noted that immigration facilities remain operational and that local, state, and federal agencies have been able to contain the disturbances. This legal showdown follows similar moves by the administration in cities such as Los Angeles, Portland, Memphis, and Washington, D.C., where Guard units have been federalized to protect immigration facilities and federal officers, highlighting a broader conflict over the limits of presidential power in domestic law enforcement matters.